People, now welcome back to my channel today. Yvonne of the Big Brother Titan don't travel go South Africa to go greet her boo wey they call Juicy J over the loss wey be say their country lose for the football wey be say they play. So, and also Christy O of the Level Up season and Justin of the Big Brother Titan season, they don't exchange words over the same football match. As we all know, Christy O na person wey be say anywhere wey be say irrelevant gbasgbos dey happen, she dey always blow her own out of proportion. Ordinary banter wey be say dem dey banter concerning the football, Christy O just make her own dey so harsh, the thing come just escalate. So yesterday, a few hours ago, Nigeria win South Africa for the football wey be say dey play for the African Cups of Nations tournament, and the thing don already dey cause banter online. So Christy O come out come throw shade to her Big Brother Titan people. Now not just say Christy O, she's not a fan of Kosi Twala. She not like the girl at all. She dey always mock the girl, anything wey be say the girl do. I don't know why. I don't know the beef wey be say Christy O get with her. Sometimes she go dey just dey throw indirect shade to the girl. So Christy O come out come say we can all agree to those it may concern. Makeup equals to 0, photography equals to 0, football equals to 0, men safe equals to 0. Up Naija. People don't dey banter since, they not drag they not go this extent of calling all this plenty this thing. Christy O come out come do am. Justin wey be say be couch potato when he dey for Big Brother Titan, all of a sudden he don get mad. So he come out come reply come say to whom it may concern. World champions 100%, Grammys 100%, carrying an entire continent 100%, beautiful women 100%. Come put one language for them for there. So the thing not sit well for netizens belle, because according to them, they say Christy O not supposed fight for them, fight for Nigerians because her own record no good. On the other hand, Justin not supposed even talk because he was very huge for the Big Brother Titan house. We could just see some of their comments for this matter. If you watch this video and you never subscribe, abeg try make you subscribe. Help me like the video, drop your comment for the comment section below, and also help me share this video. Now thank you. The first person here can say carrying the entire continent core. You all had to borrow Nigerians to make anyone watch your BB whatever last year. Nigeria leads and you follow. If it weren't for the Olis that call themselves our government, una for no even see our back. In as much as I not support the way Christy O take escalate the matter, because wetin we dey banter for na football only. You no need to escalate the thing go their makeup, go their lifestyle. No. That type of hate, I not dey support that kind of thing. But Justin, on the other hand, the only thing Justin did in the Big Brother Titan house was wake up. If he sit down for chair tire, he go stand up, dust him yansh, enter bathroom, go wet his hair, make the hair for coil. And all of a sudden he has an opinion. Another one can say they actually no get fine women past Naija. Now just say them get good body stature. Another one can say Christy O 0. Okay, Christy O, don't fight for us, abeg. Your record no good, no minor. Another one can say Nigerians will tell you about Burna Boy. That ear is working for his family. What is your country doing to build Nigeria and its youth? Let's compare serious things. If we really want to do this comparison about South Africa and Nigeria, it no go good because my maths no good, so I go avoid that. For me, I not see any means of comparing the two nations because they are both great in their own way. The football you not supposed to pass like that. I come across a Twitter space where we say South Africa person they blame Nigeria for everything where they happen to. I'm gonna just listen to the person talk before I enter Yvonne and Juicy J matter.
But my heart is broken because we had chances. We should have won the game. Nigeria were lucky. We were poor in finishing. This game I really wanted to win it. Because Nigerian guy took my girl. Now he took my joy as well. I have nothing left. My piano belongs to Nigeria now. All the girls belong to Nigeria. They took everything. We are naked right now as South Africans. We got nothing. I our strikers were really poor today. Really poor. They should have scored 1 or 2 goals. Nigeria are never in the game. And we have to have an honest conversation about Victor Osimhen. That guy can't be African player. There's nothing there. That guy's a fraud. Didn't do all nothing this today. We held him down. He barely had a kick today. He wasn't a problem for us. But there's no excuses. We can't make excuses. We lost now. Who cares, you know? I don't think they're gonna win AFCON. The way they play, they overrated. You know, they beat us through luck because of their goalkeeper, who plays in South Africa, by the way. So we need to get credit for him. And you can laugh at us, but we will be back. You know, we are we
Una don hear wetin e talk now. Imagine no be so hate still dey start. No be so hatred still dey start. Something wey be say no suppose wey suppose be just ordinary banter, people don take am so far like this. Na wow. I go still talk am again. Both teams they did great. There's no need for necessary comparison. South Africa una go manage the banter because I didn't be una win us. Now una na go still drag us pass. Before the football, una don even dey call us Generator Republic. So I not see a reason why we say friendly banter. Even our own people, we dey insult our own people, we dey drag them, we dey banter them. And e no be something where we say go come cause harm. So make everybody dey guided. Unto our lovely Juicy J and our lovely Yvonne, that ship dey always give me joy. Na one ship wey be say I support from inside the house till they come outside because I no be person, I no dey like stress. And those two people, they no ever stress me for one day. Two of them just yellow, just fine anyhow. As everybody dey shout online, dey do their banter, dey cry, dey weep. Yvonne come say make she go greet her boo. But before she talk am, so make I read wetin Juicy J tweet after Nigeria win South Africa for the match. So Juicy J come say huge congratulations to Nigeria. Now I will eat afam soup tomorrow and come laugh. You don't know e get friend dey call Yvonne, she's from Akwa Ibom State and na den I get afam soup. So everything wey be say im dey do, im dey always remember a woman. That na man wey be say person suppose get for im life, the type of man wey most people dey pray for if you get sense. So Yvonne come and reply and come say come laugh, come say you see why I love you. No stress, mwah. Na so e suppose be oh, my dear sister. The banter no suppose pass like that. Na just for fun. No be something wey be say we go come do, e go come turn violent. No suppose pass football. That Twitter space wey I drop for una see the way the guy dey talk. He say they take Nigeria as taking everything from him. That na serious hate speech, but he no know. That thing he go dey build am for inside im mind, dey build am. The thing go dey turn to anger and more hatred, which no make sense. Abeg make nobody fight over this football matter. Let all be happy and rejoice. Una take care, una bye.